Hello, 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 everybody. All right, what's everyone's names?
Ivan.
Oksana.
Lydia.
Awesome.
Aaron survived. They're
up next. You're already done. You got any words of advice for them?
Inspiration quote. Something.
Have fun. Don't die.
Don't screw up. Yeah. Awesome. Sorry, so is it y'all's first time?
My first time.
Your first time, your second?
Second.
Whoa, hey, they didn't stick me with a rookie. Nice. All right.
What you gonna say?
So is there anything, Lydia, that you'd like to say to any family or friends watching your video?
What's gonna be your will? So her will is
everything
all her money
goes
me,
to you. Yep, naturally.
Her car, house, actually house already.
All right. So
everything's gonna be fun. Just saying happy birthday to my daughter. I love to hang out with my kids.
All right. Not a bad way to spend a Saturday.
Yep.
So we're gonna go up a couple miles. We're gonna fall out of an airplane, and we're gonna try and slow down before we smash into Earth. Okay? You ready?
Yay.
Anything's a landing
There we
spot.
go. Woo! Anything's a landing spot if you're brave enough. Woo! Lydia, you fell out of an airplane and you survived. Tell me about your experience.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love the view.
A little better than Chicago.
It's much better.
Would you do it again?
Yes, I will. I'll be here soon.
All right, give me a big hug. Thank you so much.